Street like a river, neon running wild. See it like a mirror, wind like a guide by. Sky the doorway, we accelerate inside.
Chrome veins, night veins, city in the glass. I cash in, effort turn minutes into mass. Every turn a thesis, every gear a vow. I don't ask for later, I negotiate the now.
Her awake jet flame, altitude and heels. I fold the storm to fit the shape I feel. I'm harbor to hangar, I author the flight. I turn quiet into thunder, shadows into light.
Give me roads that bite and I'll make them purr.
Give me gates of stone and I'll make them stir.
If the map is narrow, we'll widen the frame.
If the climb is nameless, we'll give it our name.
Empire in motion, watch the world align. Write our future in rubber and brine. If doubt draws borders, we redraw the sign. Faster than fear, louder than time. Hands on the wheel, hearts to the wind. Luxury begins where excuses end. From street to sea, to silver skyline. Empire in motion, we rise by design. Truth I feel. Push till the skyline kneels. Real. Keys like comets, dashboard stars. Every setback turned into parts. I built a throne from the steps I kept. Made a crown from the promises I made.
Silk on carbon, glass on dawn. Every almost I outgrew, I'm gone. I keep loyalty to work, faith to flame. Wear persistence like a family name.
Give me roads that bite and I'll make them purr.
Give me gates of stone and I'll make them stir.
If the map is narrow, we'll widen the frame.
If the climb is nameless, we'll give it our name.
Empire in motion, watch the world align. We write our future in rubber and brine. If doubt draws borders, we redraw the sign. Faster than fear, louder than time. Hands on the wheel, hearts to the wind. Luxury begins where excuses end. From street to street, to silver skyline. Empire in motion, we rise by design.
If the night is heavy,
We lighten the load.
if the gate is guarded,
We build a new road.
if the crowd says later,
We answer with now.
if the throne is distance, we turn it to vow.
Fly, sail, fly. On stone to stairs, step to throne. Fly, sail, fly. Oh, we write the crowd alone. Empire in motion, watch the world align. We write our future in rubber and brine. If doubt draws borders, we redraw the sign. Faster than fear, louder than time. Hands on the wheel, hearts to the wind. Luxury begins where excuses end. From street to sea, to silver skyline. Emotional, so we rise by design.
Street quiet, harbor sleeps, our vow keeps speed.